Hello everyone, meron po akong i-share sa inyo how to generate a lesson plan po para makakatulong po sa inyo kahit konti lang. So here, open your Google and then type auto classmate. Yes, auto classmate and click. Ayan. Makikita nyo po ito, Auto Classmate and Automatic Classmate for educators that help optimize student learning. So, and then, dito, proceed sa yellow, create a lesson plan. Okay, create a lesson plan. And then, for example, anong grade level? So, pipiliin nyo anong grade level. Level, example, grade 8. Example, grade 8 ha. Tapos, I want my students to learn. Dapat be specific. Example, I want my student to learn about anong topic sa science. To learn about let's say homogeneous and heterogeneous topic. Ayan. Example lang yan ha, pero it depends on you kung ano yung mga ano. Suppose, anong content area? Of course, science. Tapos, just check this box, yes. And then, generate lesson plan. Then, dito sa gilid, pak. Ayan. Makikita mo. Next generation, science standards. Tapos mayroong materials, worksheet. So, meron kang introduction, may activities, hands-on activity 1, mixture stations, activity 2, 3, and then conclusion. Tapos may assessment pa, extension. So, yan. Pwede na ito makaka-help sa inyo kahit few lang. Tapos, dagdagan nyo lang. Hindi lahat copy-paste. So, pipiliin mo lang yung mga necessary lang. So, meron ka ng learning objectives dyan. By the end of this lesson, you'll be able to differentiate between homogeneous and heterogeneous mixtures. So, yan. Very simple lang. Kahit 1 minute, makagawa ka na ng lesson plan mo. Makakatulong po sa atin mga teacher, no? Dahil we are always running out of time sa paggawa ng ating mga lesson plan. So, pwede mo lang siya dagdagan konti. At it depends on you kung ano yung mga gusto mong makukuha ng mga information. Yun lang po. So, if you like it, just subscribe and like the hit button. Thank you so much.